Welcome back to Making Sense. Today's book is The 5 Dysfunctions of a Team by Patrick Lencioni. It is a compelling exploration of team dynamics and the common pitfalls that teams face in achieving cohesiveness and effectiveness. Best quote from book is, "Great teams make clear, timely, and confident decisions, and move forward with complete buy-in from every member, even those who initially oppose the plan." This quote underscores the importance of commitment and alignment within a team. Now let's dive into the core of the book, which are the 5 dysfunctions of a team. Starting from number 1, which is absence of trust. The foundation of a cohesive team is trust. Lencioni emphasizes that trust in this context means vulnerability-based trust, where team members are comfortable being open about their weaknesses, mistakes, and fears. Without trust, team members cannot engage in unfiltered and passionate debate about ideas. For example, in decision tech, Catherine notices that her team members are guarded and unwilling to admit mistakes. She addresses this by facilitating team-building activities, where members share personal stories and engage in exercises designed to reveal their vulnerabilities. This openness helps build a deeper level of trust. Fear of conflict. Healthy conflict is essential for growth and innovation. However, teams that lack trust are afraid of conflict, leading to artificial harmony. This avoidance prevents the critical debates necessary for effective decision-making. Like during meetings, Catherine observes that the team avoids disagreeing with each other, leading to superficial discussions. She encourages them to express their true opinion and fostering an environment where ideas can be challenged and refined. This shift helps the team move past artificial harmony to productive conflict. Lack of commitment. Without conflict, it's difficult for team members to commit to decisions because they haven't been able to voice their opinions and feel heard. Commitment requires clarity and buy-in, even if the final decision is not what everyone initially wanted. For example, Catherine implements a clear decision-making process where all team members can express their viewpoints and debate vigorously. Once a decision is made, everyone must commit to it fully. This approach ensures that everyone is on the same page and moving in the same direction. Avoidance of accountability. Teams that lack commitment are unlikely to hold each other accountable. When there is no clear commitment, it's difficult to call out peers on actions and behaviors that may harm the team. Accountability is about peer-to-peer accountability, not just holding subordinates accountable. Here Catherine introduces a system where team members regularly review each other's performance and hold one another accountable for adhering to agreed-upon standards and behaviors. This peer pressure encourages higher performance and adherence to the team's goals. Inattention to results. The ultimate dysfunction is a focus on individual goals and personal success over the team's collective results. When team members prioritize their own status or departmental goals, the team as a whole suffers. Decision tech executives were more focused on their own department's metrics rather than the company's overall success. Catherine shifts the focus by setting collective goals and aligning the rewards and recognition systems to team achievements. This change ensures that everyone works towards the same end goal. Lessons we can learn from this book are: 1. Trust-building exercises. Implement team-building activities where members share personal stories and vulnerabilities to foster deeper trust. 2. Encourage open debate. Create a safe environment where team members feel comfortable expressing differing opinions and engaging in constructive conflict. 3. Establish clear goals. Define and communicate clear objectives and decision-making processes to ensure everyone is committed to the same goals. 4. Implement accountability systems. Set up regular peer reviews and performance check-ins, where team members hold each other accountable for their contributions. 5. Align rewards with team success. Design recognition and reward systems that celebrate collective achievements rather than individual accomplishments. That was all for today. Hope you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.